Hello, my name is Simon and welcome to another video on basic JavaScript algorithm for beginner. So today we'll be writing a program that finds the sum of natural number. So the way it works is the function accepts a number which is 5 and does the calculation. So it should be 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So it should return the total which is 15. Alright, so there are two methods of writing the solution. The first method is using a loop, and the second method is using the arithmetic progression formula, which is the sum is equal to the number multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. So with this explanation, let us go ahead and write the solution. So I'm going to declare my function and call it sum natural number. So this should take in the number. So I'm going to declare a variable called sum, which is equals to 0. So I'm going to use a while loop. Why this num is greater than 0. Okay, I want to add it to the sum, so I'll do sum plus equals to the num, then decrement the 1 by 1, else we're going to end up in an infinite loop. So the num minus equal to 1. So at the end of the loop, I want to return what? The sum. Alright, good. So let me remove unnecessary space, remove this, and remove this. Okay, so let me run this program. Let me invoke the function on the console. So that is console.log, and the name of the function. Then I pass in 5. So I'm going to call the function on the console, which is the name of the file sum natural num. So you can see on my console here, it returns what? 15. I passed in 5 here and it returns 15. So if I pass in 10 and save, run again, you can see it returns 55. However, what if I pass in a negative number? If I pass in -6 for example and run, it should return 0. Yes, it should return 0, because this is kind of like a base case, because do this only while the number is greater than 0. Alright, so let us go to the second method. Let me duplicate this, and minimize this. Okay, so I'm going to call this sum natural num 2. This time I don't need a loop. What I need is to check if the given number is actually greater than 0. So if the num is greater than what? Is greater than 0, then what I want to do is I want to assign the sum to the number multiplied by the number plus 1 and divided by 2. That is all. Let me save and call this function. So I'm going to call natural num 2 first with the negative number. So let me run this function on the console. You can see it returns what? 0. So let me put a number like 6 and save. It should return the natural number, which is 21. Let me also put 5 and save. It returns 15. Let me put 10. It should return what? 55. So let me run this. It return 55. So that is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in another video.